What's up guys, you're watching Sid Gaming and today we're going to talk about the Sony PlayStation 5 error CE-100095-5. It's a can't start the games. So here you just try to start the game. Sometimes you have a network problem and sometimes you have an update problem, or your software update problem, or your application or a gameplay is a game problem. So go to the settings, system, and here you have the software information. You just check the system software is up to date, download update file automatically, install update file automatically. You just check in, update the system software, and your system software is up to date. If then you just go back, and here we go, second option, and then you just check your application is if up to date or not up to date. Then you just go and update your application. So that's how that simply you can fix this error.